Hi friends, this is Ramya from Smart Approach. Today's our topic is all about how to learn along with kids. Do we have any goals? If so, what is that? Let's think about it for a few minutes. Here comes the four major questions. What to learn, how to learn, when to learn, and why to learn. In this video, we are mainly focusing on kids at the age group of 2 to 6 years. As this is the transition stage for a kid, he or she requires language skills. During these years, children also have rich imaginations, strong fears, and love to play. So, it's important to employ educational strategies that are both adaptive to their current developmental stage while also challenging. It's you who can make learning productive and enjoyable for both. Here comes our first question. What to learn? Answer to this question is very easy. Kids of this age group are very much eagerly waiting to help their moms and dads. Expose them to each and every aspect of household works. For example, watering plants, gardening, and getting them into the kitchen, etc. It's important to engage them in communication as much as possible. Asking their suggestion is a great way to converse with your children while encouraging them to think about it. For example, tell me more about your idea. What is the next thing that we are going to do? And so on. Second comes how to learn. Here are four important points. First one, talking to your child. Second, listen to your children and answer to their question. Third, read aloud to your child. Fourth, speak in a kind and respectful manner. Talk to your child. What does that mean? You can help your child put all his new words together and teach him things that are important to know. Teach your child to say his first and last name. Ask about the number, size, and shape of the things your child shows you. Ask open-ended questions that don't have a yes or no answer. This helps them develop their own ideas and learn to express them. Here comes our second one. Listen to children and answer to their question. Children will naturally come up with questions while learning something new. Take time to listen to their question and encourage them to think of an answer of their own question. Sometimes you might have to ask if you understand their question correctly. You can find out by rephrasing it and saying, "Is that what you are asking?" After your answer, you can ask, "Did that answer your question?" In this way, you can lead the play. Next comes read aloud to your child. What does this mean? This means that reading to children is the single most important activity for language development. For books with pictures for the younger ages and allow children to stop and ask questions or talk about the pictures during their reading. When children have positive experience with books at a very early age, they are much more likely to enjoy books and see themselves as a great readers and have a strong foundation in the literature. Next come speak in a kind and respectful manner. Kids learn best by imitating. If you want your children to be polite, practice good manners yourself and pay attention to the tone of your voice. Children often pay more attention to tone than they do what do you are actually saying. Be sure to say please, thank you, excuse me, and I'm sorry when interacting with your children or when talking to other adults in front of them. Here are a few important tips or points to remember. Dear parents, please be patient. Patience is the key for parents in bringing up growing children. Parents are the role models for the child. The child should not be pressurized to perform before guests. Children have feelings too, which should be respected. Children are the greatest stress busters. Sing, dance, and laugh along with them. Appreciation is the magic wand that leads to achievements. Kindly appreciate each and every small thing that a kid does. Understanding the child's point of view makes it easier to guide them. Here comes our next question. When to learn? Sit with your child as per the age of your child. Make a schedule or timetable. Do set a target but don't pressurize them. Let them be at their pace. Breaks are also important at this point. Each and every moment at home is a great learning experience. Next comes our question, why to learn? Why to learn? Knowledge is the path to overcome and face the world, right? To keep our mind healthy, learning is important. To recognize our strength, learning is important. It's important to improve the quality of our life too. It gives the confidence to express our thoughts or ideas and our opinions. Dear parents, I request you to remember few things. That is, parents are the child's first and best teacher. Comparing children is meaningless. Every child is unique. Admitting a mistake before the child strengthens his or her trust in us. Spending quality time with your child is the best and the biggest investment for your child's future. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.